Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I want to show you some of the results of the live tests that we ran with InstaViral. Now, in these tests, I was sending traffic to my blog, brettwardtechie.com, and I did this because I wanted to be able to double check the test results with Google Analytics. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the Google Analytics results in a second. But first, I want to show you the tests inside of InstaViral. So the very first test, I got 453 signups, that's 453 email addresses, and I got 1,311 free site visitors. The second test, I got slightly less signups, 423 signups, but I got more free traffic, 1,752 free site visitors to my blog, brettwardtechie.com. Now let me go ahead and I'm going to take you over to Google Analytics so you can see the results inside of Google Analytics. So here we are in my Google Analytics account, and we started running the second test, sending traffic to a specific post on my blog on August 24th. And you can actually see my traffic over time here. So generally speaking, I get a fairly minimal steady stream of traffic to my blog. But instantly, as soon as we started the InstaViral campaign, you can see the massive surge in traffic right here. And it's completely undeniable. You cannot miss it. There is a huge uptick in the free traffic that we were getting to that specific post. And if I scroll down in my analytics, you can see right here that all of this traffic was from a viral nature. It's all coming from referrals. So people were actually sending the traffic to my blog post for me. And that's what InstaViral does. It gets people to send traffic for you so you don't have to do it yourself. Now, there's been other traffic software out there, and a problem with a lot of the other traffic software is that the traffic you get is not from tier 1 countries. It's not the traffic that you're going to want. It's traffic from people that are not buyers, people that are not from top tier countries, traffic that really isn't going to do you any good. But if you look, the traffic from InstaViral is all from top tier countries. As a matter of fact, the vast majority of it, over 45% of it, was from the United States, with the rest being made up of the United Kingdom and primarily other top tier countries. InstaViral gets you a ton of free traffic from top tier 1 countries that are buyers, that are people that opt in, that are people that you need to your pages and to your links. Now, as I said, with this test campaign, I was sending traffic to my blog, and I did that specifically so I can double check the results with Google Analytics. But I didn't need to send traffic to my blog. I could have sent traffic to a squeeze page, to a sales page. I could have sent them to an affiliate link. I could have had this traffic going anywhere I want with InstaViral. And the best part of it is I set up my campaign and then I did nothing after that. Everything was done for me. All of this traffic was 100% completely free.